Cutting meat with a bandsaw can be extremely dangerous.
Every year, 4,000 meat bandsaw-related amputations take place in the meatpacking industry. These injuries could be avoided through the right safety measures.
Lacerations and amputations are the most common injuries from meat bandsaws.
Some of the most common causes include the operator's hand slipping off the meat and accidentally going through the blade, the operator attempting to remove meat from the bandsaw table while the blade is still in motion, the operator's gloves, accessories, or clothing becoming entangled in the saw blade. The most severe complications of meat bandsaw injuries involve blood loss. If a bandsaw cuts through the radial and ulnar arteries found in the forearm, wrist, and hands, the high-pressure bleed can lead to significant blood loss in just a matter of seconds. When you lose more than 1/5 of your body's blood, you go into shock, which can lead to organ failure. Losing 40% or more of your body's blood can be fatal if the bleeding isn't stopped in time. Some reports even suggest that death can occur within 5 minutes if blood loss isn't addressed. Fortunately, there are several steps that can be taken to reduce bandsaw-related injuries from occurring in the first place. From procedure to an operator to equipment, several safety protocols can greatly reduce this workplace injury. Safety starts with the operator. Make sure operators are trained on safe operating procedures for meat-cutting bandsaws. Retrain operators if seen using the saw incorrectly or if there is an incident to reinforce the importance of safety. It may seem counterintuitive, but a sharper blade is a safer blade because a sharper blade will cut through the meat without the need for excessive pushing and without kicking the meat back at the operator. Review the manufacturer's guidelines for blade sharpness and tension to ensure the blade doesn't break while in use. Ensure there is a guard over the entire blade, except for the working portion or point of operation of the blade. The guard must be adjustable to cover the unused portion of the blade above the meat during cutting operations. Never bypass machine guards. Use a meat push plate or push guard to put firm pressure on the stock to be cut and feed small pieces of meat into the blade. Do not wear loose-fitting clothing or jewelry while operating the saw. Secure long hair in a ponytail, hairnet, or a cap. As you see in the photo, the operator should also have his hair secured. Keep your hands and fingers several inches from the side of the blade. Do not hold the meat in line with the saw blade, rather, hold the stock to the sides of the cutting line. If the meat slips, your hands and fingers will be safe. Never try to remove meat from the work area while the blade is still moving. Allow the blade to come to a full stop to ensure that no trips or slips will cause hands to come in contact with a moving blade. Many newer bandsaws can be equipped with vision or contact sensing systems that kill power to the machine when an operator's hands get too close to the blade. Such systems allow the blade to be stopped within milliseconds once the system is triggered, saving operators from serious injuries.